Hi guys, this video is about downloading and installing C compiler and VS Code. So let's begin. Open Google Chrome and here search download VS Code and hit enter button. Select this first website, and since I have Windows, so I will download and install it for Windows and click on start download. So it will get download. As soon as the downloading is complete, go into the download folder and here you have to right click and run this as administrator, or you can double tap on it, click on OK and select here I agree, and after that we only have to click on next, next, next and install. And here I am increasing the speed of the video just to save your time, and after that click on finish. Okay, so now close it. So here we are done with the installation of VS Code. Now we will install the compiler and we will set up both of these later. So here type C programming in VS Code and open this link. Okay, so here you have to scroll down and here select C++ on the left side, this one, and scroll down a little bit. We have to download MSYS2. So click on this link. MSYS2 will get download, and when the download is complete, go to the download folder and double click on MSYS2 and click on next. We are going to install it. Don't change anything, just click on next and install. And when the installation is completed, just click on finish and it will automatically get launched. Here we have to type PACMAN space capital SYU and hit enter button. These packages will get download. I'm just increasing the speed of these packages downloading and installing. Here you have to type Y and press enter when it's asked Y or N. So again type Y and press enter button. Okay, now search on Windows, type MSYS2 and select this one, and again type PACMAN space minus capital SU. This time press enter button and here type Y again, press enter button. These packages will get download and install. Sometimes they take longer time, so we have to wait. I'm just increasing the speed of this download and installing the packages. Okay, now cross this window and again we have to type MSYS, but this time select MSYS2 MinGW 64. It will get open and here we have to type PACMAN space minus capital S small s space GCC, and after that hit enter button. After that scroll up a little bit and here we have to find this MinGW W64 x86. We have to copy it and here we have to type PACMAN space minus capital S, then again hit space and you have to paste whatever you have copied. If you cannot find this, you can type it manually, and since this is some incorrect stuff here, so I'm clearing it. So you can manually type. If you can't find this thing, it will still work. And after that you have to press enter button, and after that we have to type Y and press enter button again. The packages will get download and install. Okay, and after that we have to verify the GCC version, so type GCC space minus minus version and hit enter button. This is the version for the GCC 14.2.0, and let's verify the version for G++. So type here G++ space minus minus version, hit enter button, and we have the same version installed here as well. We will verify it later after declaring the path. So here type now clear and hit enter button. After that type PACMAN space minus capital S small s space GDB, and we are going to install the packages for the GDB now. Scroll up a little bit and here find this MinGW W64x86 GDB. Okay, so you have to copy this one, and again if you can't find this you can manually type this one as well. So I'm typing as PACMAN space minus capital S, and you have to paste whatever you have copied, and after that hit enter button and type Y and press enter button to let it download and install the packages for the GDB. Now let's verify the version for the GDB. So type GDB space minus minus version, and this is the version for the GDB I have right now. Okay, now cross it and go to C drive because we have installed MSYS in the C drive. So click on MSYS64, and after that go into this MinGW 64 and go into this bin folder. Now we have to copy this path, so right click here and copy this path, and after that in Windows search type env, and you have to select this edit the system environment. Go into environment variables, and in system variables, as you can see it from here, we need to find path. So scroll down this a little bit, and this right here is path, so select this one, and after that click on edit, then click on new, and here we have to paste whatever we have copied the path, and click OK, and again OK, and click on OK as well here. Okay, and now we have to type in Windows search CMD, press enter button. Here we have to verify the GCC version, so type GCC space minus minus version, and this right here, if you remember, the same version that we have installed. And again verify the version for the G++, and this is the same version we have installed priorly. So now the compiler is successfully installed, and now we have to open the VS Code. So open this Visual Studio Code, and here we have to install some extensions. So cross this one and go into this extension, and here type C++, and we have to install the very first extension, this one. So you can click on install from here, and it has been installed, guys. And also we have to type here code runner, and we have to install this extension as well. So you can click on install from here or from here as well. So let's install it. Okay, now we have to close the VS Code and open it again, and after that go to file, and here click on save workspace as, and then in our computer we are going to make folder on any directory we like. So I'm making a folder here of coding, and after that click on add and click on yes here. And just for the sake of testing purpose, I am making here a test file, and do not forget to type here .c, press enter button, and I am typing here a code. I will explain this code in our upcoming video, and I'm just showing you how to run this. So you have to type here run, and as you can see this error has been appeared. So go to settings, and in this search settings we have to type run code in terminal. So we have to check this box, and there is another thing which is, by the way, an optional thing: save file before run. So I'm typing here save file before run, and I am checking this one as well. And after that get back to this file and let's run this now. Now it will run correctly. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.